Hey guys, it's Joe from Jordan Bikes. Today I've got for sale this little stunner, Suzuki GSXR600. So I'll tell you the facts and figures first. It's a 2014 on a 64 plate. It's only done 7,727 miles. These come standard with some power modes, but other than that, just a bike. You've got big piston shower forks, you've got Brembo brakes. This one's been fitted with some lovely extras. It's got a tinted double bubble screen. It's got them Bike Tech aftermarket billet levers. It's got a full system on it, so it's a full Yoshimura exhaust system with the carbon end can. It's got a tail tidy. It's just a lovely, lovely looking bike, honestly. When we brought this in, we thought, Jesus, it is a good looking bike, because it'll sell so quickly. So a little digital speedo, like I said, 7,727 miles. Proper clean little bike is this, it's lovely. So I'll give it a quick fire up and you can hear that full exhaust system. Sounds just as good as it looks. Anyway, if you want it, all you need to do is pop down to Jordan Bikes or just give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.